Greetings everybody. Today we're going to be looking at the Powerowl 2-in-1 charger. This is an external charger that will charge your USB devices, and it also charges lithium batteries, the 18650 lithium batteries. So it's both an external or a portable power source, and it's also a charger for lithium batteries. So let's take a look at it. Here's the backside. So yeah, it is the model H27. It has a total of 10,000 milliamp hours. That's with the built-in batteries, and it does come with batteries. So let's take a look, see what we get. Okay, this looks like the charger itself. Let's see what else we get with it. We get a USB to USB-C cable, because this does charge with USB-C. You get a little owner's manual here and a little "Are you happy or are you unhappy" card. So that's what's in the box. Let's pull this out of the plastic here. And there is the unit. There's the top side. So this is the charger port, which is USB-C. There are two USB ports for charging devices. And there is the power button. And there is the back side. Just shows you some information there about the total milliamp hours. It's able to put out 37 watt hours, or it's rated at 37 watt hours. Volts, 3.7 volts. Input is 5 volts at 2 amps. And output is 5 volts at 2.1 amps. Again, this is model H27. So we'll pop this open. There are the batteries that come with it. These are those 18650 lithium batteries. So it comes with 4, but you can also use your batteries in here and charge them as well and use them in this device. So all right, so that's what it looks like inside. Let's see if it turns on. Might need to charge it up. Oh, nope, we've got 3 out of 4 little lights there that came on, so it looks like it's good to go. So let's see here. Let me grab a phone. So I got my phone here. Let's just plug it in. And presto, it is working. So as you can see up here at the top, it is charging. So yep, it works. How fantastic. Oops, okay. Now, there's something to be aware of when you pick it up. If you grab it by there, you can easily turn it off. But it is nice to have a power button, and it's also nice to be able to see your state of charge. So this is a pretty sweet little unit here. The reason I got it is because I do a lot of videography with my GoPro cameras, and GoPros have notoriously small batteries and they don't last very long, and I like using them for time lapses, which can take quite a bit of time, and those little batteries just run out of juice before the time lapse can complete. So I need a way to plug my GoPro cameras into an external power source, and this is a nice compact one. So I'll be able to do this, and I'll bet I can take really long time-lapse videos with my GoPros using this as the external power source. That's also going to come in handy just for charging my phones and whatever else I have that needs charging. So yeah, very nice little compact unit. The batteries come with it, and if you have your own batteries, this also works as a charger. In fact, let's just look at the charger part of it real quick and see what it looks like. All right, so let's plug this in with a USB-C cable. Oh, there it goes. You can see it's charging. You see the little lights dancing over here? So it's in the 3 light range right now, between 2 and 3, so it is charging up like a champ. So yeah, this thing works perfectly. So this is going to come in real handy for my GoPro time-lapse videography, and it's also going to work very well for just a regular external charger to charge all my USB devices, which I've got plenty. I've got little lights, I've got my phones, I've got a ton of USB things that need to be charged. So this is going to come in very handy, and since it's pretty good size, 10,000 milliamp hours, I should be able to charge quite a bit of stuff with this. All right, so that's it. That's the Powerowl 2-in-1 portable charger and battery charger. It's a 10,000 milliamp hour power bank external battery pack. And I am digging it so far, so that's very cool. Very compact, too. Look, about the size of my hand. Or not even size of my hand, size of the palm of my hand. So, yeah, very cool.